is my dark horse bike. Alright, so that's my Gatchak 23. Alright guys, I hope you get some information. You're trying to purchase this bike, and as I said, very nice one. So ride safe guys, and see you on the trail. Yeah. What's up guys? It's a bike day again, Friday bike day. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my new ride for this day, Friday. Alright, here we go. The brand new Canyon Nueron CF8 2021. Alright, so gonna check the walk around the bike. Okay, so this is it. Alright, what a nice color. I love the color. Okay, wow. Okay, for this bike we have the carbon frame. Size is small. See the size is small. Okay, so it says here bike 3 bike category. Right, size small. So it's a brand new one, Canyon Nueron. Alright, see, this is the bike. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some details. Okay, the group set of this bike is a Shimano SLX hydraulic disc brake. Yeah, so very nice hydraulic brakes. Okay, with the Shimano group set, Shimano SLX crankset. Okay, RD and 12 speed Shimano, and then we have the Fox float. Okay, extra volume. Okay, all right, and then we have the Fox. The fork is a 140 treble. It's a Fox 34 performance. All right. Okay. See, and of course, the wheel set is made by DT Swiss hub. All right, and Shimano disc brake. They said ice technology. And this one is the full booster hub. Okay, and we have the DT Swiss XM17 with the Swalplay Nobi neck. Okay, and the saddle is made by Aircon. It's a very soft saddle. Okay. Yeah, and that's the hydraulic brake SLX. All right. And the pedal is not included when you buy this bike or you order this bike. So you have to put your own. Okay. And then the cockpit. All right. The grip is made by Ergon. So nice, so soft. Okay. And this is the push button for the dropper post. All right, you see the dropper post, and you push it, come up. Yo, that's it. And on this bike, I add additional order for the mudguard from Canyon, and of course the bottle holder from Canyon as well. So the handlebar and the stem, I changed it to the color red, so it will match the color, so it will be full red. So the original one is made from, the stock is made from space, so I changed it because it's too short for me, and the rice don't have the rice, so I love the rice handlebar. Okay, then this bike is tubeless ready, so I already changed into tubeless, so no worries on that. Okay, and the good thing on this bike is the quick release, which is hiding inside. See, it's made. Okay, when you push out, yeah, and then that's it. Turn in, turn out, turn in, turn out. Okay, when it's finished, put back. So easy. All right. So this is my dark horse bike. All right. So that's my Gatsak 23. All right, guys. I hope you get some information. You're trying to purchase this bike, and as I said, very nice one. So ride safe, guys, and see you on the trail. Yeah. All right. Ride safe, bro.